Wow.
On the phone. Public works in the field. West Avenue is covered, and unfortunately the other half of the road is piled up down. The pumps are down.
Yes, we feel fortunate.
Like I said, I got enough foliage on it.
Yeah.
Tell me what happened.
Well, apparently this windstorm came through. I was on my way home from work. My wife didn't even really realize the tree had fallen until we saw the one in the neighbor's house that had taken their fence out. And basically, the big tree in the neighbor's fell directly on a tree in my yard. And the tree pretty much kept the other tree from hitting the roof directly. You can see some small branches on the roof, but the balance of the tree is intertwined in this one right here. It's keeping the tree off the roof right now. It's actually totally supported by the other trees. So
if basically if that tree right there in your yard was not there, this big tree would have came through your roof, probably through your kitchen and possibly through a bedroom?
Yeah, that's the master bedroom is right directly above it, the dining room, the kitchen. So yeah, if it would have gone a couple feet to the left or right, it would have hit the house.
So today's your lucky day. You're pretty fortunate.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, I've seen your neighbors have also got some damage.
Yeah, the neighbor behind us has a fence out, and the tree actually took the gutters off his house, and yeah, there's trees down all over the neighborhood.
Is this the first time in Morris that you've seen storm damage this intense?
Yeah, since we've been here a couple of years, and of course we live in an area with a lot of big trees. So when I was coming down the street and saw a lot of other trees down, I was not surprised. I was actually surprised to see that we didn't have more down, and I didn't even realize this one was down until I walked around the house. So yeah, we're very fortunate that it didn't move a few feet to the left or right.
I'm glad it didn't come through your house, and this looks like it can be fixed. And
yeah, it's actually there's no damage to the house. You know, it's just the other tree is supporting the weight of the fallen tree that's still really attached at the base.
Okay. If you're saying, spell your first and last name for me.
The first name is Jeff.
Jeff, J-E-F-F.
J-E-F-F. Last name is Bonner, B-O-N-N-A-R.
Okay.
Parking on 303 to the 0820 point. Mile marker 20 southbound, there's 94. Mid female, the vehicle, high blood pressure.
Give us 285 303. Well, on this plan, heading towards southbound.